Venture capital investments are high-risk financial commitments aimed at turning ambitious yet promising ideas into reality. Venture ideas can be classified by their level of significance. When an idea's sole objective is profit generation, it belongs to the primitive level. In such cases, the investor seeks enrichment at any cost, often by exploiting humanity's lowest impulses. Examples range from supposedly revolutionary gadgets and electronic devices down to mere fidget spinners, products that offer nothing of real value beyond the money spent to buy them. At the highest venture level, however, are theoretically grounded ideas that have never been proposed before, yet whose implementation could fundamentally reshape our understanding of engineering and technology. One example would be a method of energy generation based on the intelligent extraction of energy from natural processes involved in the formation of material bodies. Another example is a non-jet method of propulsion that requires no roads, rails, or other guiding infrastructure. Highest-level venture projects are investments in the future, more precisely, investments in those yet to be born, and who implicitly hope that their predecessors are not guided by the principle, "after us the deluge." In practice, the overwhelming majority of venture investors and funds operate at the lowest level of significance for civilization. Interaction with this group is typically reduced to a blunt demand for a working device or finished technology. None of these so-called investors makes any attempt to assess the intellectual, scientific, or conceptual work that precedes the final product. Such investors are of no interest to us from the outset due to their limited intellectual capacity and their inability to think strategically. Establishing direct contact with a strategic investor is an exceptionally difficult task. One reason is that investors are constantly surrounded by a large number of mediocrities, individuals promoting useless or marginal projects. This creates the illusion that no one exists who is capable of proposing an idea or project of the highest level. The defining trait of mediocrity is its abundance. Around any investor, these individuals form an almost impenetrable barrier that is nearly impossible to break through. It resembles a chaotic marketplace where everyone loudly praises their own stale goods, while higher quality rare products are deliberately ignored. Neila Technology Research Center is developing game-changing technologies and is open to collaboration exclusively with strategic investors who can recognize and envision future opportunities. If you are one of them, you can find all details about our projects on the Neila Tech website.